Good morning, Marie Nation Kitchen here. Going to make some breakfast, some fried dumplings. You might saying, oh, this woman love the fried dumplings, but that's our thing. We love fried dumplings. Fried dumplings and saltfish. Cook up saltfish, fried dumpling with callaloo and cabbage, callaloo and saltfish, cabbage and saltfish, ackee and saltfish. That's our thing, you know? So I definitely love fried dumplings. Sorry about that, my phone fell. Yes, I'm gonna show you from start. I make the dough. So here I'm gonna use, this morning I'm using the self-rising flour to make the dough. So that's 2 spoons. Just 2.5 spoons. Everything is in that already. Don't want my hand to, my fingers to get a lot of flour this morning. So I'm gonna make the dough. Normally I don't use the cold water. I use a little warm water to make my dough. Oops. Let me dash too much water in there, no, man. It will spoil, you know. Yeah, anybody ever spoil flour yet? Think everybody spoil flour. Most people, or if you're doing it for the first time, you're gonna watch how you throw your water. Or to make the fried dumpling, you can use milk to make the dough. Some people use milk. That's my dough. You don't have to knead it too much like when you're making the cooking flour, the dumpling to cook in the pot. The frying one, you don't have to knead it too much. Just get it I'm gonna put it aside for like 15 minutes or so. Yep. I'm gonna cover it with a damp, or you say damp, I say damp. paper towel. Put it aside for 15 minutes before I start to fry. So this is my to make my saltfish. The saltfish is on the fire, boiling. You to boil out the salt. Boil out the salt out of it. You don't want it to be salty. So cutting up some green bell peppers, red sweet pepper, tomato. This tomato look tough. Oh, it not cherry ripe at all. Tomato, onions, and garlic, and hot pepper, of course. I like a lot of onions on my saltfish. Washing my seasoning up my vegetables, whatever you call it, but we call it seasoning, yeah? Okay. You can cut your in whatever angle you want to cut it. Cut it small, you can cut it in strips, you can cut it in squares, however you want, however you like to see your thing when it's done, you know. It's no special cutting or so, and whatever way you want it. You see what I'm doing? This is how so nothing special. Just easy and simple, yeah? Easy and simple. Easy and simple. Garlic. Some garlic. Okay, so this is this. I'll show you. Let's start frying the dumplings and cooking up the saltfish. You'll see all of that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Like, share, and comment, please. I need your comments. Ooh, I need to hear what you're saying about my cooking. Thank you for watching.